I look at the demographics of India first to begin with. We are 500 million plus women in this country. And I know probably not even, we have not touched even the tip of the iceberg in terms of when it is coming to educating them to start with, and then skilling them, of course, which is very important, and then them moving on to higher education if, as they choose to go to the next levels of career building and so on and so forth. So my point is that we are losing national productivity when we don't tap on the human resources of our own country, and in this case, ours being such a large demographic of 1.4 billion, of which maybe more than 50% are women. I think it's extremely important for our nation going forward, especially in the Amrit Kal towards 2047, to bring in as many women into the work stream, for which we need to go backwards a little bit. I think we need skilling to start at our high schools onwards. I'm not saying that education is not required, but in addition to the educational levels that we have, I think skilling, hands-on experience and practical skilling on anything that the student or the aspiring workforce can have would be beneficial to them. So this, I think, in some cases, there are many women who cannot probably go on to higher education, who may not be able to, so for various reasons. But the skill that they could have probably acquired at a 10th standard or a 12th standard level, or even beyond that, say even if it is a diploma of 6 months or a year later on, I think will go a long way in changing their lives and livelihoods forever, for their families first, for themselves, their families, and of course for the nation. And this is what is going to change the very face of how we can bring in as much as possible more women power into the workforce, so that they also continue to contribute to the growth and the nation building into the future.